Welcome to our lecture online. Now here we have a really interesting concept, and after we think about it, it makes a lot of sense. But notice that if we have an angle that is inscribed a semicircle, the angle always will be 90 degrees. It doesn't matter where you place the point on the edge of the semicircle. Right here, notice that obviously on the left side we have the semicircle, they have another semicircle on the right side, we just have it as a dotted line. But notice that every one of these angles always is going to be equal to 90 degrees. At first that seems odd. How do we know that? Well, we can use one of our rules, and here we have an example. So let's say that we don't know the measure of this angle, the angle P for example, or the angle from A to P to B. But what is the rule that we use to find the value for x in this case? Well, the rule is that the measure for the angle from A to P to B is going to be equal to, since we're on the edge of the circle, it's going to be 1/2 the measure of the arc length from A to B, the other side. So it would be the arc length from A to B. And that, of course, is always going to be the case. That is, of course, if the point is on the edge of the circle and we have the two lines that then go through essentially the diameter of the circle at the points opposite to the center of the circle. All right, so that means that we have the measure from A to B, that would be, actually this is x degrees, is equal to the measure from APB, which is equal to half the measure, so it would be half the measure from A to B. So of course, since that's a semicircle, that must be half of 360 degrees or 180 degrees, because of course arc length of a semicircle is half a full circle, which is half of 360 degrees, which means that therefore x degrees, which is the measure of the angle from A to P to B, must therefore always equal 90 degrees, irregardless where you put that point in that semicircle. So you can see it makes a lot of sense. It seems odd. When I first saw that, I go, sure about that? Always 90 degrees, but sure enough, it doesn't matter where you put the point on the semicircle, it is always going to be a right angle, and that is how it's done.